a founder of a satanic church?
When I turned my back onto Christianity, many people don't understand how people become Satanists. I read the Satanic Bible. Thousands of Christians started praying for me. I was very much in contact with spiritual beings, that you have a tribe that you belong to, and it's the goats, it's not the sheep. It's usually over Easter, and then towards the end of October, there's Halloween. This is where hundreds and thousands of Satanists actually gather to practice ritual together, and that's the more hectic type of rituals. So when I got to the second candle, this whole space lit up as if somebody was shining a light into the space. There was this man standing there. Every spirit that I saw during that 20-year period, every angel, every spirit guide, every ancestor, that were all demonic. A newspaper was actually delivered to their home one Sunday morning, and on the cover was I, representing the South African Satanic Church. Our victory is already in Jesus Christ.